My name is Dave Hirschenow, and I'm the director of the Writing Center. Our office is here to help you understand the complexities of academic writing that you'll be dealing with as an advanced researcher. People come in because they're going to be doing a conference presentation to go over the slide deck they have, to people who are working on a seminar paper and are maybe struggling to sort of write something that's going to be meaningful for you beyond the class and also sort of meets the needs of the class itself. People come in just to have an accountability coach, and it's not necessarily to read something you've written every time, but also to think through strategy with you, to talk about process, how to set effective goals, how to manage your time, how to avoid procrastination. And having someone who thinks well about what a reader needs and can be a reader for you can really make the difference in your success.